guys, welcome back to like part 1000 of this truck build. Now it's time for this thing here, you know. Have to piece back the interior together. That's the part that I'm really worried about, that I'm gonna have the most fun with all that wiring. After that, it's just a cakewalk. Just gotta figure out all the wiring, how to route it correctly and everything. I got this HVAC system in here. You know, just gotta start sorting out wire by wire and routing it where it goes. And that's gonna be it. I'll try to do a time lapse. Hopefully I don't forget to turn the camera on. Try to do like a time lapse of me getting everything going. But until then, I mean, that's all I can show you. Stay tuned. Time lapse yesterday brought me here today. I'm one of those people where, you know, I just want to get something done. I don't really have time to record. Yeah, it's windy. It's windy as balls over here. I don't know if that's a thing, but I'm making it a thing. So I got most of the wiring sorted out. I'm throwing over here. I got the HVAC thing in. Mostly everything's routed where it needs to go. Mostly. Still some things that I gotta figure out. Getting it done little by little. Hopefully I can have it all kind of completed more or less today. My goal is to put the dashboard in today, but I don't know if that's a realistic goal or not. But we'll see. It's moving along, you know, for my first time doing this. Next time, I mean, it's obviously gonna be a lot faster, but I'm trying not to get a truck with the front damaged anymore, because this is a pain in the ass, but you know, it is what it is. But most everything's sorted out. Like I said, stay tuned. I will update you guys as I go. For now, it's starting to look a little better than it did. Alright guys, it has been a long day. Had some complications, like any job has, but I had to move forward. As you can see, I got most of the stuff all directed in. All the fuse thing is in. All the little ABS computer, that VCU is in. HVAC is all connected. I got all the stuff for the top lights all routed. The speakers, the lights, that's all routed. The horn, that's routed. The next step is putting the dashboard in. I mean, really, that's the next step, and you'll see probably in the next clip, you know, I'll be installing the dashboard. Probably will be the same video, but I mean, it all looks scary right now. Like I said, there's a truck, everything's a mess, but it'll look nice when it's all said and done. You know, you got the hood. I just can't get over the paint. The paint is so nice. It's dusty now, but it is nice. And there's a cab. The cab looks a lot better than it did. You know what? Like, I got all the firewall stuff routed. All that stuff is there. The air cleaner things are a pain. That's all in. You know, everything's it's getting there, but one step at a time, I guess. This thing sounds nice when it's opening. But yeah, here it is. Everything's connected. Everything's getting to its working phase. Well, here we are again at this truck of mine. So what I got done here today already is, you know, a few days ago, was throw this dashboard in. Now I got the wiring pretty much sorted out where it needs to go. This for right here, this for the cluster, this for all these gauges. I got the wiper linkages installed. Pretty much I just gotta zip tie all the wiring because it's kind of a mess under here. But for the most part, like pretty much I want to throw the steering wheel on right now. Then I'm just gonna start putting in the gauges, you know, and slowly get this thing back together. So keep watching. All right, guys, a little update. I got the steering wheel in. What else did I do? Got a couple more wires down there sorted out. The next thing I did was put in these air tubes for the AC heater. That's what I did. I put all that in. I secured some wiring. Just gonna tie this down right now and probably start throwing in the gauges. Alright, guys, I don't know where I left off in the last video, but I know I definitely made some progress since last time. Got the dash in, got most of the little paneling in, got the paneling by the feet almost all in. Just down putting that in because I just need to tie up some bolts in there. Got the shifter in. Most importantly, I got the, not I, but I had some guys get the windows in, got the back window, I tinted the back window, got the front glass in. Man, it looks good. Then I mocked up just this mirror right here. I just put it on. It's not on there all the way yet. Got the air cleaner bracket on there. Got the air cleaner bracket on this side. Yeah, it's coming together slowly. The goal is to put it in onto a truck maybe end of this week, hopefully. We'll see how things go. It's getting close, guys. I mean, but from what it was to what it is now already, it's a long way. It's a lot of work, to be honest. And I'm definitely gonna try to stay away from like front firewall damages, because if it's firewall, I gotta remove all the crap that I did again. You know, I mean, the second time is gonna be easier because I know where everything is. This was my first one, so I mean, it was a little experience for both of us, but yeah. I've got it, like I said, I gotta pick up some stuff and be back here again. I didn't record too much of my hood being damaged, but I replaced this fender and this piece right here. Right here, let's cut off right here, this piece. I think I have pictures of the hood when I was damaged. I just didn't record me fixing it. Actually, sorry, it was this side fender and that side panel. Then I also had to replace this little piece, the inside right here. This piece right here on the inside, right here. $800. Just to give you guys a little perspective of how much all this shit costs. But yeah, like I said, I'll post pictures of the hood. Didn't make a video on that, like I said. But yeah, that's where we're at right now.